What's going on YouTube? It's Mrs. Uni back out with another video. And as you can see here, we have, from the title, you can see we bought more Apple products. I think this has a tearaway, but this one does have a tearaway opening. That's how the iPods are packaged right there. I did pick up the iPod Pro, as you can see right there, and I do have the original, so I want to like test them out and see how much different they are. Is it there? Wireless charging case. So let's open this real quick. So Apple, let's see if they have any stickers or anything you guys want to know. No stickers. Very nice design. Yeah, this is a little fatter than the original iPods. And let's take a look at these babies. And that's what they look like. This is the right. So yeah, this is a little bit different than the AirPods, the original AirPods. These are the little cups you get in the packaging. Let's see how we open these. So there they are. If you want a closer look at them, there they are. Cool. These ones are, like I said, designed in California. Nice gloss white. And these are a lot different than the first generation. So I will do a comparison on these and those. Now let's get into the computer. So I was able to, so I did want to get the top of the line model and compare that with the one I have. I do really like the 16-inch. So this is the, not like the super spec'd out, but this is the top of the line one, as you can see right there. Let's open this baby up. And there it is. So I'm super excited to have this one back. Let me know in the comment section below if you want to see anything else. I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace.